Hi kids, it's Teacher here. Let's talk math minutes. This is where we will attempt to do math in 5 minutes or less. And today we're going to talk about the basic concept of 3D shapes. Now 3D shapes are called 3D because they have 3 dimensions. That's right, we can measure the length, the width, and the height of a shape. And that's what makes it 3 dimensions. So as you can see here, I have some others here too. But we also have a cube, it's a box that has length, width, and height. So that makes it 3D. Now, we have some complex kind of shapes too because they're a little bit harder to measure the length and the weight and the height of it. I'm sorry, I said weight, didn't I? The length, the height, and the width of it. That's what I mean. They both start with W, hello. And a sphere, which is just a big round ball, almost just like this globe. And it still has a length, it has a width, but we have to determine where that width is. And it also has a height, but it's harder to measure those things in the sphere. But it is a 3D shape because it does have all of those dimensions. Now, I want you to become a 3D shape finder. Yes, a 3D detective. And what you're going to do, you're going to take just some paper, you're going to cut out some different shapes and cover it with a plastic. You can do like a plastic wrap, or you can do Ziploc bags, but you can cover that with plastic and make your very own magnifying glass. And you see here, I only have like a little craft stick on here as well. So this is our magnifying glass, and this is my circle, but I can also do it with the triangle, and I can do it with a square, I can do it with a hexagon, but you can do it yourself. These right here, because these 3D shapes are easier to find, so I want you to go around your home, go around your backyard, your front yard, your neighborhood, and find these shapes. So try to find them in 3D. Some of them you may be able to find in 3D, some of them you may not. That's right. So get these and find your magnifying glasses and go on a hunt. Have fun, and find those 3D shapes. That's right. And while you're doing that, look and see if you can find some paper around so you can tell the International Paper Foundation, thank you for sponsoring this segment of Math Minutes. That's right. And I want you to also take pictures and send those to WKNO, teacher@gmail.com, because I love seeing your pictures, boys and girls. And if you want more resources about 3D shapes, you can always go to our website at pbslearningmedia.org, and you can find so many things there. There are worksheets on 3D. There are videos on 3D shapes. There are songs and there's pictures and there's just so much to do there. So make sure you go there. That's pbslearningmedia.org. And I'll see you next time. So until then, go on that hunt for some shapes. Until next time, Teacher says, bye-bye.